What's up guys, OG Woodsman. Today we got this little Pathfinder 4-person inflatable boat, and this is a pond that I've always fished. I've always wanted to go hit the other side of it, so we got baby boy and my lady here with us today. It's a 4-person, and he's only a half a person, so 2.5 people. I think it should be good, so we're gonna see what happens. Let's do it. All right, looks like we got her ready to go. So, are y'all ready? Now we're good to go.
You can tell it is relaxing because I'm relaxed, but also he's relaxed.
Right?
Like you can tell.
He's chilling. I want to fish this little pocket too before we leave, because
why not? Did you fish that yesterday?
nope. Ooh, you see that bass? Oh my God, that was a big fucking bass. Oh my God, that was a big bass. I need to smoke this down that bank line. Don't even care. I'll get it off of there. It got it. It got it. Oh, that bass got it too. Whenever it hit the water, did you see him come up and hit it? But that sucks because he probably won't hit it again.
Wait a minute, so look. You're pulling us pretty fast. Oh, you smell that? It smells like pretty flowers.
Mm-hmm. Come on, bitch. I just scared that f***ing bass away and to throw it on the bank. I got behind the stumps up there by that grass. That was an awesome cast. Still ain't catching it. No matter where I put it, they ain't hitting the motherfucker. There he is. Oh! Oh, I need to catch one. There he is. There he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got his big ass. This is a 6-pounder. God, I hope you don't get off. Please don't get off, baby. Please don't get off. Please don't get off. Please don't get off.
Am I going the wrong way?
Yep, nope, you're going the right way. Keep on going. Just keep on going. Please let me have this fish on here. Please, please, please let me have this fish on here. God, it's a nice fish. Oh, please, baby, be on here. Please, baby, be on here. Yep. Wasn't near as big as I thought he was, neither. Damn it.
Hey, you still got one though.
It was all that moss. Oh man.
Look, Carter, look at the fish.
I thought I had me a dang monster, boy. I thought I had me a damn. Thought I had me a monster. But hey, that was a pretty hit though. And it's a real pretty fish. Let me just get this. I don't want him to be hurt because of this frog. Dude, that frog just barely hooks him, dude. Hey, he's real pretty colored though. Probably about 2.5 pounds, almost 3. Not bad at all. This is my second fish I caught out of this little inflatable boat. So, hey, $40 Walmart boat. Put you out here in these honey holes where you can get to these bass. $40 Walmart boat. You can't beat it. And look, well, I got baby boy and my lady out here with me. Just chilling, having fun. Man, I appreciate you, dog. I needed that. Have a good one. Take off. All this grass down here makes it real hard to reel in these fish. So pretty much, they hit it, you hook them, you go to the fish. Because you ain't gonna reel them in through all this. It's just not gonna happen. You have to have 50-pound braid on there to get them through all this. There he is. Trying to keep him up over that moss. Over the moss, 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 over the moss. I got him. Little guy. But we'll take him. Ain't they? They're healthy fish out here. Look at him, buddy. Thank you, sir. I love that topwater hit so much. Oh, that was that nice one that I was wanting a while ago. And she missed it. Girl, why'd you miss that? Damn it. That's that big one. That was that big one. She ain't gonna hit it again. She know better. I got one. Ah!
Oh no.
Spit it. Fucking spit it. Big one. Oh God, that was a nice one, dude. And because it wasn't even in the moss and it was pulling like that. It was in the clear water and it was pulling like that.
What do you want? Trains?
Look, look, there he is again. There he is again.
I'm sorry, I'm trying.
Yeah, boy. Damn, I hate all this damn grass, dude. Look at him. Look at him, he's nice. Him's nice. Him is nice. And thank you. Yeah. I'll take that. Ow, put myself in the hand. Sit on his belly.
Oh, buddy.
That?
Yeah.
That's where they lay their eggs out of. That's their vagina. This has been OG Woodsman out here in this little $40 inflatable boat, ripping lips. Hey, if you can't afford a boat or if you can't afford a truck, you can go to Walmart and get an inflatable boat for 40 bucks and it gets you out here to all these honey holes. So, hey, till next time, guys, stay in the woods.
And first name G, last name where I came from. When I'm back home, I'm more open with my day ones. Keep losing homies, that shit makes me wanna stay young. If you got a problem with me, you better say something. It's This instrumental combustion, ambition or nothing. I seen two women in public and they were kissing and touching. I found myself in the middle of something. It turned into a function. It was different, I loved it, and wait, was that all just a dream? Or is my lifestyle really just as crazy as it seems? Did Wadsley get stabbed when it started with some drinks? Did we really go and find him leaving bleeding in the streets? Ask God for forgiveness, still with it with the team. Do I really stay strapped? Is it really him or me? Do I really got the scars that could prove that I've been through it? Is it really in my pocket? Am I really gonna shoot it? Shit.